Those are the best 5 free computer screen recording software. So if you are looking for a completely free program through which you can record a video on your computer screen and create tutorials, this is for you. It is completely free and open source. This video is made based on a request from a friend with us who asked me for the topic, and I have a request. And of course, if you have anything you would like me to talk about, just leave it in the comments. If I haven't talked about it before, God willing, I will make a video about it. And of course, you will find all these programs with their links below in the topic link in the description. I mean, you won't have to worry about the topic. You will find all the programs with their links, God willing. So it won't take long. If you are seeing my channel for the first time, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to always receive the latest videos. Let me start with the most famous program ever, the program we all know, OBS. It is one of the most popular programs used to record the computer screen for creating tutorials and playing video games. You can also use it to make live videos on all platforms. Now we come to the second program, and I place this program in second place because it is the program I personally use to record tutorials on the channel. Oh, Cam is completely free. You can customize it as you like. Besides that, it records in high quality unlike any other program I have honestly used. And of course, the program is very lightweight and works on weak devices, such as Share X. It is not just a screen recording program, but it also includes other details. You will find a large set of tools, such as screen recording as I mentioned in the video. Also, you can take a screenshot or add screenshot effects. In addition, you can also visualize the screen in GIF format. Moreover, you can edit the image or compress the image you upload from the program. You can compress the video you captured using this program. If you are one of those who do not like installing programs, we go to the fourth program, which is free screen video recording. Another lightweight program for recording video on the computer screen. It is completely free. And the most important thing is that it is very serious and works on weak devices. In fact, this program is very ordinary, meaning it does not have anything special to talk about. But the idea is the simple and easy interface that anyone can handle. As for the fifth program, which is Cam Studio, it follows the same idea that I discussed earlier in detail. It is a lightweight and completely free program. It is one of the easiest video recording programs, and it's popular among foreigners because it is very straightforward. However, it certainly won't provide you with the best quality possible. It's enough to say that it is easy to use and has a simple interface. But of course, let me warn you again, the recording quality is average. It's a lightweight, free, and easy to use program, but it's not very good.